Hi, good morning everybody. Hey, what we got on the dyno here this morning is a 427 Windsor Stroker. This one starts out with the dark block, got a full forged rotating assembly, AFR cylinder heads, it's got a Sniper EFI on it and a full boat kit. I can build the engine any way you like. This one happens to have a T-sump oil pan also. Again, the way you want it to look is the way I will build it. Give us a call. Be happy to put something together for you. Thank you for your interest in one of our engines. Peace.